Every 40 seconds, someone in the US has a heart attack, and every 3 minutes, someone has a stroke. And most of them never saw it coming because arterial plaques, they silently build up over years. And by the time they are discovered, it often means stents, procedures, and lifelong medications. But what if you could interrupt this process early? With just a few simple diet changes and everyday spices, you may be able to slow down or even reverse early plaque buildup naturally. Hi all, I'm Dr. Neha Garg here, a nephrologist and an Ayurvedic health counselor. Today, I'll show you how to protect your arteries before it's too late. Let's begin by understanding what really causes these plaques. Atherosclerosis, or the buildup of plaque in the arteries, is not just a cholesterol problem. It is a 3-stage process that happens slowly over the years. In stage 1, there is slow damage to the lining of the artery. This can happen from high blood pressure, high blood sugar, smoking, or chronic stress. This makes your arteries inflamed and leaky. Then in the second stage, LDL, or bad cholesterol, enters these damaged blood vessels, where it gets oxidized and becomes sticky. This oxidized LDL triggers inflammation and causes buildup of even more sticky residue. In stage 3, the immune system reacts. Your body sends the immune cells to clean this up, but they get overworked and turn into foam cells. When all of this happens, then an early plaque is formed. Over time, smooth muscle cells may grow over the plaque and calcium starts depositing. Now you have a mature plaque, which continues to expand slowly over the years. Once the inflamed plaque ruptures, then strokes and heart attacks, they happen. But what is mind-boggling is that Ayurveda described this thousands of years ago. For Ayurveda, this condition is called Rakta Stroto Rodha, which literally means blockage of blood-carrying channels. This happens due to accumulation of ama, or undigested sticky residue, and meda, which is the fatty tissue. But Ayurveda goes further and identifies the root cause as a weak digestion and weak metabolism, or low Agni. Weak Agni in the stomach leads to weak Agni in the tissues. In modern terms, reduced cellular metabolism that then favors slow buildup of the sticky inflammatory residue called ama. So let's get practical and look at 3 powerful spices, 3 foods, and 3 common herbs which can prevent or even reverse early stage arterial plaque buildup. Number 1, turmeric. It is anti-inflammatory. It reduces LDL oxidation. And per Ayurveda, it has a lekhana and pachana activity, which means scraping and digestive action at the tissue level. Second is garlic, which acts as a natural blood thinner. It improves circulation and has strong lekhana, or plaque-reducing scraping effect. Third is CCF tea, or cumin, coriander, and fennel seed tea. Make this by boiling 1 to 2 teaspoons of cumin, fennel, and coriander seeds in 4 cups of water. This improves the main Agni in the stomach. It supports detox and it helps clear the metabolic waste. Next comes the 3 foods for healthy arteries. First is cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil, which is rich in polyphenols. It has been shown to reduce LDL oxidation and proven in PREDIMED trial to reduce cardiac events. But make sure that you only use the cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil and do not cook it at high heat. It is best drizzled on your salads, soups, and curries after the high heat cooking is already done. Second is cruciferous vegetables: cauliflower, cabbage, kale, broccoli, Brussels sprouts. These boost liver detox pathways. They help remove metabolic toxins via the bile, and then that reduces general systemic inflammation. Third is omega-3 and vitamin E rich nuts and seeds such as walnuts, almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds. These improve general lipid profile. They have an anti-inflammatory effect and they reduce the plaque causing small, dense LDL particles. Remember to take your nuts only after soaking in water for 6 to 8 hours. This removes the anti-nutrients and allows better assimilation of the nutrients present in the nuts. Now let's look at the 3 Ayurvedic herbs that reduce plaque buildup. First is Gugulu. This is one of the lipid-lowering herbs in Ayurveda that has a powerful scraping or lekhana action. For over-the-counter use, it is best taken in combination with Triphala, and it already comes as a Triphala Gugulu tablet. You can take this combination pill 4 to 5 times in a week at bedtime. This low-dose combination pill is safe for majority of people and does not typically have any medication interactions. Gugulu has mild antiplatelet effects of its own and can stimulate thyroid function. By itself should only be taken after consultation with the physician. Second is Arjuna, which strengthens the heart, improves vessel function, and is considered a cardiac tonic. It has blood pressure and heart rate lowering effects. So if you are on blood pressure medications, especially the beta blockers, then you have to consult with your physician before starting this. The standard dose is 500 to 1000 milligrams taken with warm water or warm milk at bedtime. The third and the last one is Triphala. We have already covered Triphala in details in a prior video, and I would encourage you to check that out. Triphala is a 3-fruit combination that is safe for almost everybody except children and pregnant ladies. It is a powerful gut detoxifier, it reduces oxidative stress, and it clears ama. This brings us to our video end summary. Plaque is not just fat or cholesterol. It is oxidized fat plus inflammation plus metabolic dysfunction. Once it progresses, yes, then modern medicine has to step in with stents and life-saving drugs. But the real power lies in preventing progression early, improving your metabolism, and reducing general or systemic inflammation. Support your body's natural detox systems because many times your kitchen can be your first prescription pad. If you found this helpful, then please hit that subscribe and share button and share it with someone who thinks that cholesterol is their only problem. And tell me in the comments which one of these 3 methods you're going to start today. Till next time, stay healthy, stay aware, and stay in control of your arteries.